Good morning, students. Today I will discuss you data models in DBMS. Data models introduction. A data model is a set of concepts that can be used to describe the structure of data in a database. A database model shows the logical structure of database, including the relationship and constraints that determine how data can be stored and accessed. Data model also give idea about possible alternatives to achieve targeted solution. Why data models ensure consistency in data, help in database design, improve communication between users and developers, provide a blueprint for database implementation. Types of data models. फर्स्ट है आपका हियरार्किकल डेटा मॉडल, सेकंड नेटवर्क डेटा मॉडल, थर्ड रिलेशनल डेटा मॉडल, फोर्थ एंटिटी रिलेशनशिप डेटा मॉडल और लास्ट वन ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड डेटा मॉडल. Hierarchical data model. This model is developed by IBM and North American Rockwell, known as Information Management System. This is the oldest and simplest DBMS model. The model is stored hierarchical, either in top-down or bottom-up approach of designing. This model uses pointers to navigate between stored data. Network data model. This model is simpler to hierarchical model. This model also uses pointers toward data, but there is no need of parent to child association. It uses graph data structure. A child can have more than one parent. It has one to many or many to many relationship. A relationship between any two record types is called as a set. Data in network model are represented by collection of records, and relationships among data are represented by links, which can be viewed as pointers. Relational data model. The relational data model is first proposed by E.F. Codd. This model uses collection of tables to represent relationships among the data. In this model, each database item is viewed as a record with attributes. A set of records with similar attributes is called a table. Each table contains a record of a particular type. The database uses relational model called as RDBMS. एंटिटी रिलेशनशिप मॉडल, इसको हम ER मॉडल भी बोलते हैं. इंट्रोडक्शन. The entity relationship ER model is a high-level data model developed by Peter Chen 1976, used for design database structure, visually represents real-world objects and relationships. What is ER model? A conceptual representation of data, entities, attributes, relationships used in the initial phase of database design.